Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, La Cocina Abierta. Today we're going to do nachos. So let's get to it. So here I have a pound and a half of ground turkey meat. And to the turkey meat I am going to add breadcrumbs. This helps the meat not get so clumpy and it makes it nice and fluffier. And I'm also going to add a half an onion, garlic clove, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. So here we are going to mix in our spices. But before that, I mixed my ground meat a little bit so I can incorporate it more easily. I'm going to put the paprika, the chili powder, the black pepper, the oregano, and the onion into the bowl. I'm also going to crush the garlic in there. Of course, you can, tweak these spices as you want, more or less. It's up to you. Now we're going to mix everything in there, incorporate everything so all the meat can get all those spices in there, make it taste really good. I am going to add the breadcrumbs. This helps the meat not get so clumpy. Makes it nice and fluffy and separate. So now I am going to put the meat in my hot oil pan. Mix it all in there. And I spread it out so it could go all out in the pan. Distribute the heat all over the meat. And now I'm going to mix it. This helps so it doesn't get clumpy. So I just mix it as it starts to get warmed up. I just keep mixing it. And I mix it some more. See how it doesn't stay clumpy? It looks like when you use the ground meat. Usually ground turkey clumps up. But now with the breadcrumbs. I'm also going to add some salt right now. And I give it a good mix. Get that salt flavor in there. And now I had previously already melted the cheese. And in another video I'll show you how to melt the cheese for nachos. But I'm warming it up right now. And now I got my bowl with tortilla chips. And I like the cheese to be really kind of like a liquidy, not so thick, because you can evenly distribute it out. So you can put enough cheese on each tortilla chip. And then I am going to add the meat. the ground turkey. Put it all over, sprinkle it all over. Get as much on each tortilla chip, on every side. So these are my end results. I added some jalapeno, some sour cream, and some pico de gallo. In another video, I will show you guys how to do the pico de gallo. But for now, hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.